First of all, thanks for being part of this video. I am glad that everyone is watching my videos and subscribing my channel. For the efforts I am making, for a little motivation, I need likes also. So please do like the video. And without wasting our time, let's move into the content what we are going to see for today. We are going to see the day 8 daily score booster questions, and these are the contents we are going to see in this video. Okay, let's move into the first topic, which is simplifications, starting with the first. Let's try to solve these questions in a rapid fire mode. 1 by 3 into 249 divided by 249 into 84 equals to 629.56 minus 425.8, which will be 6, 7. Here we have 8 minus 5, 3, 0, 203.76. So these will be cancels. These will be 28 times. So 28 comes other side with minus. So what we left with 76, 5, 7, 1, 175.76. So option E is the answer for this question. Next, question number 2. This question is related to approximations, not the simplifications. Let's solve this one. 21 square, which will be 441. 38 square, which will be 1444. 19 square, which is 361 minus 13 square, 2197. So here we have 6, 10, 14, 12, 2 to 4, 6. Here 2197. Difference between these two we have 49. 49 equals to x square. So x value will be 7. Option B is the answer. Next, question number 3. Here this is a simplification question, so not the approximations. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 16, 22, 22, and here we have 1.1, so 23.1 minus 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, and 1.1, 1.7, 1.7 means 13.7, 13.7 we need to subtract 2, we get 4 here and 9 here. 9.4 equals to 376 divided by x. Let's write this as 94 divided by 10. 94 4 times 4 times 16, 4 9 times 36, 37. Okay, so x value will be 40. So answer will be option C, 40. Next, question number 4. Question number 4. 14 8 times 252. 16 square, 256, plus this will be 1 by 9 into 1989. 2 times and 1 times. So 221, 9, 10, 2, 729 is a cube value of 9. Option E is our answer. Next, question number 5. We can write this as 5 divided by 2 into 15 into 3 into 18 equals to 810 divided by 18. 9 2 times, 9 90 times, 245 times. So 45 times of x we got here. 15 3 times 45. So 2 9 times 9 5 times 45 is our x value. So answer will be option A, 45. Next, question number 6. This is value for the cube value of 21. This is unit digit is 3, means it is unit digit 7, leaving 3 digits 19. Nearest cube which will be 2 cube. So 27 value is this one. This is the 27. So whole equals to 15x. Here we have 14, 15, 75, 15 5 times. So x value is 5. Option B is our answer. Next, question number 7. 14 cube, 2744 minus 1331. This will be 9 3 times 27, 54 means 6 times 36 minus 43 means 5 times. So we left with 31, positive 31. So this 31 and this 31 cancels. We left with 4. 27 minus 13. 27 minus 13 means 1444. We got 1444 equals to x square. X value will be 38. Option B is our answer. Next, question number 8. 9.09 means fraction value of 1 by 11. This is the fraction value of 1 by 7. Next, this is fraction value of 1 by 6. So 10626 equals to 299 divided by x. So 11 9 times 99, 72 means 6 times and 6 times. So 6 1 times will be 6, 6 times 36, 6 1 times 7, 2 times will be 14, 3 times 27. So 23 1 times will be 23 and 3 times. So answer will be 23. Sorry, 1 3 times. So 1 times 23 and 3 times 13. So option E is our answer. Next, question number 9. Question number 9. Fraction values are given 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 17. Here 4, 4, 6, 2. So LCM of all these two, all will be 12. So for 3 times, 3 times, 9 plus 4 3 times, 4 3 times. So 3 here plus 6 2 times, 2 times 4 plus 2 6 times, 6 3 times 18. So we have 27 30 34. So 17 34 divided by 12. So 12 2 times will be 24 10. So 17 18 19 19 10 divided by 12 is our answer. Option C is the answer for this question. Next, question number 10. Here the root value of 1156, which will be 34. This is 16 minus 23 4 times and 5 times. Okay, here 50 minus 45, we left with 5 only. 5 equals to, this will be 132 minus 132, x minus 132. So x minus 132 means x value will be 137. Option A is the answer for this question. Next, questions. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. Quadratic equations, first question. Here we get a value of y square value. Y square value will be positive and negative. Here we see negative at the end. So here the roots will be also positive and negative. Comparing positive with negative, we get a greater symbol. Negative with positive, we get lesser symbol. So it is a complementary one. So our answer will be no relationship can be established. Next, question number 2. Here 54. So 9 6 times. Plus and minus means minus and plus are the root signs. Next one, 14 and 104. We can write this as 13 8 times. This can write as 7 3 7 2 times. So what we can do is 8 7 times 56 and 26. We get the value of 82. So 56 and 26 are the roots. Minus and plus means both the root signs will be positive. So next, the bases are not equal, so we need to multiply this with 14. 14 6 times, which will be 84. Here 84 is greater than these two numbers and this is negative value of 14. So the numbers, these two numbers comes in between these two numbers, else we take that 9 14 times minus 126. So these 56 and 26 will come in between these two numbers. So answer will be option C, no relationship can be established. Next one, question number 3. 2 5 times 2 times and 9 times. So x value will be plus 23 and minus 23. Next one, 91 means 13 7 times. So both the roots will be in positive. Now by comparing these two, it is very clear that these two numbers will come in between these two. So answer will be option C, no relationship can be established. Next, question number 4. 132. So 12 11 times. Minus and plus means both the root signs will be positive. Next one, 42 7 6 times. 7 6 times. Minus and minus means plus and minus are the root signs. Okay, here by comparing these two, it is very clear that x is greater. Option A is the answer for this one. Next, question number 5. 68. 68 means 17 4 times will be 68. Plus and minus means first one will be negative, second one will be positive. Next one 156. 156 means 13 12 times will be 156, minus and plus means both the root signs will be in positive. Okay, now here by comparing these two, it is very clear that x is lesser than y. Option B is the answer for this one. Now we are going to see wrong number series questions. First question, the difference between these two, which will be 76. Here the difference between these two 80. Difference between these two 4 and 84. Here the difference between these two 88. Difference between these two 393. So these are the differences of 4, but here it is not. So last one is our wrong number. 429 is the answer for this one. Next question number 2. Here the difference between these two is 8. Difference between these two 27. Difference between these two 4 6 64. Okay, these are the cube values. Next one, here the difference between these two is 4 to 1. It must be 125, not 124. So this is our wrong number. So option B is the wrong one. Next question number 3. Here the difference is 13. Here the difference is 28. Difference between these two, which will be 42. Difference between these two 6 5 56. So these are familiar to me as 14 factors. Here the difference between these two is 70. So these are 14 factors. 14 5 times, 14 4 times, 14 3 times, 14 2 times. So it must be 14. So this is our wrong number. So option D is the wrong one. Next question number 4. Here the difference between these two is 6. Difference between these two is 24. Difference between these two is 0 6. Okay, here the difference between these two is 9 1 1. Okay, the difference between these two is 1 1 2. These numbers are familiar to me as cube values minus something. This is 2 cube minus 2, 3 cube minus 3, 4 cube minus 4. This must be 5 cube minus 5, which must be 120. So here we got a difference of 119. So this is our wrong number. So option C is the answer. Next question number 5. It is into 2 times. It is into 3 times. We get 102 minus 9. So minus 9. Next one 93 4 times. 360 plus 12 372 minus 4. So into 4 minus 4. Here we get into 5 times, which will be 1840 minus 5. So into 5 minus 5. Here it is must be into 6 minus 6. 5 6 times 30. So 0 at the unit digit, 0 minus 6, which will be unit digit 4. So our wrong numbers are situated in between these two. So in between these two means our 34 is our wrong number. So option A is the wrong one. Next one. Now we are going to see missing number series questions. Question number 1. Here it is very clear that it is into 2 times, it is 1 times. 2 times, 1 times, 1.5 times. No, it is not possible. So we can write this as 147 divided by 1 divided by 2. So we get 294. Next one 294 divided by 1. We get this one. Next one 294 divided by 1.5. Divided by 1.5 means it is 3 divided by 2. So 3 9 times 27 and question number 1. 147 becomes 294. So it must be into 2 times. Here it is 1 times. So it must be half times. 147 and 147 divided by 1/4. It is not the value of 98. So this process is false. So we can write this as 147 divided by half. So 147 divided by 1 divided by 2 means 147 2 times. So divided by half times. Next one is divided by 1 times. Next one must be 294 divided by 1.5 times. So 294, this can be written as 3 into 2. 3 9 times 27 8 times. So we get 196. So 196 is our answer. Option E is the answer for this one. Next, question number 2. Here we see a difference of 4 3 2 1. Here we see a difference of 3 2 1. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. So it must be 1 2. Here the difference must be 1. So 41 is our answer. Option B is the answer for this one. Next, question number 3. Difference between these two, which will be 144. Difference between these two, 7 9 1 2. So this is a 12 square. This is a 13 cube. Here the difference between these two is 6 9 1, which is 14 square. So the next one must be 15 cube, which is 3375. So 2565 plus 3375, we get the value of 0 4 9 5 5940. So option C is the answer for this question. Next, question number 4. Here the difference between these two is 4 4 and 1. Here the difference between these two is 4 2 3. Next one, here the difference we see is 6 7 5. So this is 24 square, 18 square, 12 square. So the difference between these numbers will be 6. So the next must be 6. So 6 square, which will be 36. So here difference must be 36. So difference 36 means 18 plus 16 plus 8, 16 plus 36, which will be 52. So 16 is our answer. Option A is the answer for this one. Next, question number 5. 2 into 5 times 10 minus 4 6 5 times 30 minus 5 into 5 times 125 minus 6 119. So the next one must be into 5 times minus 7 19 5 times 95 5 1 times 5 minus 7 means we get 588. Option E is the answer for this one. Next, we are going to see inequalities questions. First question, the flow from N to G. From N we can reach to G with everywhere equals to also, with everywhere equals to also, but here there is no equals to, so this case fails. The flow from K to G. From K we can reach to F. From F we can able to reach to G. So this is true. Next, question number 2. Flow from U to T. From U there is no flow, so this case fails. Next, the flow from W to T. From W we can reach to X, or else from W we can able to reach to U. From U there is no flow, and from X there is no flow to T, so this conclusion is also false. Neither one nor two is the answer. Next, third one, the flow from S to H. From S there is no flow here. From S we can reach to M. From M we can able to reach to H. So first conclusion will be true. First conclusion is true. The flow from B to H. From B we can able to reach to S. From S we can reach to M. From M we can reach to H. It is also true. So 1 and 2 both are true here. Next, fourth question, the flow from H to C. From H we can able to reach to E. From E we can reach to D, or else from H we can reach to F. Question number 4, the flow from H to C. From H we can reach to F. From F we can able to reach to C. So first conclusion will be true. The flow from H to D. From H we can able to reach to E. From E we can reach to D. This is also true. So both 1 and 2 are true here. Next, question number 5, the flow from U to N. From U we can flow to S. From S there is no flow, and from here there is no flow, so the first conclusion will be false. Next, the second conclusion, the flow from X to S. From X we can able to reach to U. From U we can reach to S. It is possible. So second conclusion is only true here. Now we are going to see syllogisms. First we need to draw the Venn diagrams for the given state. Question number 1, only a few history is English. Okay, all English is Hindi. All Hindi is geography. Only a few geography is Bengali. Next, questions, conclusions are, some Hindi is not Bengali means we check all Hindi can be Bengali or not. Can we place all Hindi inside Bengali? It is possible. All case possible means some not case fails. All history is geography, so can we place all history inside geography? It is possible. So this one is true. No Bengali is English is a possibility, so we checking no Bengali is English. So some Bengal can be English. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Some case possible means no case fails. No case fails means, and saying that possibility means our answer will be true. Next, question number 2, all laptops are mouse. All keyboards are mobiles. Only a few mouse are mobiles. All keyboards are mobiles means keyboards are inside mobiles. No laptop is a speaker. Okay, let's see conclusions. All mobiles are speakers. All mobiles can be placed inside speakers. It is possible. So first one is true. Next, all mouse can be speaker. Can we place all mouse inside a speaker? It is not possible. No keyboard is being laptop is a possibility. First we need to check this one. Some keyboard can be laptop. Is it possible? Some keyboard can share with laptop. It is possible. Some case possible means no case fails, and saying about possibility means our answer will be true. Next, third question, only a few tree is root. All root is fruit. All leaf is branch. No leaf is root. No leaf is root. All leaf is a branch. Conclusions, all tree cannot be fruit. Can we place all tree inside fruit? Can we place all tree inside fruit? It is possible. All case is possible means cannot. Not case will fails. All branch, some branch is not a fruit, so we check all branch can be fruit. Can we place all branch inside a fruit? It is possible. All case possible means some not case fails. Next one, some leaf is not a tree. So we check all leaf can be tree or not. Can we place all leaf inside a tree? It is possible. All case possible means some not case fails. So none follows is the answer for this question. Next, question number 4. Only a few control is shift. Some controller are tab. All controls are functions. No function is a space. Let's see conclusion. Some function can be tab. It is already sharing some part and saying a possibility, so this case fails. All shift can be space. Can we place all shift inside a space? It is not possible, so this case also fails. All tab cannot be space, so here we see not, so we check all tab can be space. Can we place all tab inside a space? It is not possible. All case fail means some all not case will be true, so only 3 is true here. Next, question number 5. All wall is floor. Only a few color is floor. Next one, some color is tiles. Only tiles is roof, so roof is inside tiles and doesn't share with anything except tiles. Okay, questions. Some color can be roof. Roof cannot share with anything except tiles, so this case fails. All tiles cannot be floor, so can we place all tiles inside a floor? It is not possible, so this is true. Next one, no wall is a roof is a possibility, so we check no wall is roof. Is it true or false? Can we place some walls with roof? It is not possible, so some case fails means no case will be true. No case will be true and saying about possibility. True and saying possibility, then our answer will be false. Next, now we are going to see coding and decoding questions. First we need to decode the codes for each word. Tough is located here. Another word is also common there, so tough understand. Tough understand. We get possibilities. Here in this statement we see understand. So the code which are common in these two, which will be UV and UN. Here we see UN, so the tough code will be UV. Understand code will be UN. Next one, people. People is common in these two, so the next common word which is people, common word which will be common code, here we have CK, so CK is the code for people. By this we are going to do decode the all words and note a table, and we got this is as our table. Now we are going to see what are the questions that are asked. What is the code for understand? For understand, the code will be UN. Option D is the answer for this question. Next, question number 2. Which of the following word is coded as CK? CK is coded for people, so option C is the answer for this question. Next, question number 3 has some mistake. AC is related to something, some word that we didn't see in our codes. Okay, situation code is given as NC, so here it is not UV. NC is the option we need to given here, so option D is NCAC, so answer will be NCAC is the right one. That is smaller typing mistake. Next, question number 4. Which of the following code for the polite? For polite, the code will be CV, option B. Next one, what will be the code for empathy? For empathy, we got possibilities of BS and BA, so answer will be either A or C. By this, we have completed today's daily score booster questions. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.